Hey everyone, so today we're going to learn how to fix can't receive phone call on iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to go and scroll down on the top right corner of your screen and tap on personal and make sure that your do not disturb mode is turned off. Sometimes when you do this, the phone call won't come. Similarly, go to settings and scroll down on your screen until you find the app called phone. Once you find the app, tap on phone. Now tap on silence unknown callers. Once you tap on it, you can turn off the toggle of the silence unknown callers. Sometimes when someone calls you from unknown calls, it will automatically silence, but we do not want that, so make sure it is turned off. Similarly, what you can do next is you can go and turn off your silent mode. Sometimes, because of your silent mode, your phone call may not come. In this way, you can easily fix can't receive phone call on your iPhone.
If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.